today we're going to do a southwestern style pork butt. The first thing you're going to want to do is make up your injection. This is orange, lime, lemon, and cilantro. And I beat it up in the magic bullet a little bit. It's all in there. We're going to get this thing full here. Inject this bad boy all around. It's going to pop out on you a little bit. That's alright. Oop, not through. Not working properly. Whoa. Whoa. More outside than inside. There we go. Alright, now what we're going to do, I'm going to rub all this off here and dry it up a little bit. And then we'll throw the rub on. It's going to sit overnight in the fridge. And we'll smoke this tomorrow morning. Alright, so we got all the excess off of this thing and all that. Now it's time to put a rub on this thing. And what I got here is a pork rub. And I know it's a pork rub because it says it on the bottle. Now, I made this pork rub. I make all my own rubs. Pretty much this is just my standard rub. It's not Southwest, but it really kind of is because it has all the same stuff in it anyway. It's got a lot of chili powder, it's got some paprika, it's got some cumin. Actually, it's got a lot of cumin in it because I like cumin. We use a lot of that in our rubs around here. We're going to rub this up real good and let it sit in the fridge overnight. It's the key to doing this. Get it all around. Now, the sides, where you can. It's good stuff. This smells so good. This is going to be awesome. And let it sit in there overnight. Because what we shot this up with also helps tenderize the meat while it sits in there overnight. So this will be so nice tomorrow when it's done. Over there too, don't forget anything. Any bare spots? Looking good. Over here. And over here. There we go. That smells great. I will put this in the fridge overnight. Go on the smoker in the morning. Time to wash my hands.
Alright, there it is in the fridge. It's gonna come out. It's morning. Alright, so we've got the coals going. About 18 degrees out. It's like a nice day. A lot of flurries. Birdies are up, doing their thing. We're gonna heat this up and get her going. Alright, see what we got here. We got the Flow and Sear butts on there, all rubbed up and injected, Southwest style. After this is pretty much just standard operating procedure the rest of the way. She's rubbed up and ready to go. Alright, I'll check back later. Alright, been on there about an hour. She's running at about 288, which is right where I want it. I want it in between 275 and 300 because I hope to be eating this sometime tonight. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit, which I've never done before, but we're going to see what happens. It ought to be okay. And the other thing I wanted to tell you is I used cherry wood chips in this. And we're just going to let her go a little hotter than normal and see what shakes out. Alright. So here we are at the 4-hour mark. We'll take a look at this. I just added coals, added a little water. She's in there cooking, doing her thing. Looks a little dark. I might put some water or apple juice on top of that there. Well, I got this open. It says the internal is 180. I'm going to check it. That thing has not been accurate lately. Hasn't been good at all. Let's see what this says here. Alright. Same temp, 180. Huh. Never really hit a stall point. Interesting. Alright, I'm going to let this go. See y'all later. Well, we're in about hour 8. So we're going to take a look. See what the temps are. Because my meat probe isn't working. As usual. $197, $198. We're going to pull this off and wrap it. Yes, sir. Finally. Alright, so we pulled that off the grill out there. About $199. I wrapped it in some parchment paper. And then I like to wrap it in an old towel that I have laying around. We're going to let that sit probably an hour or so while we get everything else ready for the tacos. Alright. Alright, so here we go. It was out there a little bit over 8 hours. Got a nice bark on her. I'm going to cut this up. Oh, that just fell right apart. Look at that nice bark right there. It's nice. Had it wrapped up about an hour in that towel. So we're going to break this up and we're going to make pork tacos out of this. And it's going to be killer. I'm going to give it a little taste. It's not too hot. Ooh, it's too hot. Ooh, that's hot. It's really hot. Did I say it was hot? Mmm. Oh, that bark's really good. Oh, wow. All that cooling. Nice and tender. It's falling right apart. Perfect. There you go. I taste that lime in there too. And the lemon. You can taste it. I don't taste the cilantro though. I think we lost that. Definitely a little citrusy. You get that coming through. Yeah, it comes through a lot. That's pretty good. Gotta try this, folks. It works. Alright, I'm out.